the work does not end when we get a new president. Once we do that, we must work to reform our institutions, including the Supreme Court of the United States, in order to be actually representative of the people and diversity and beauty of this great nation. So while the stakes are high for everyone in this moment, they are more so, just being honest, they are more so for us Black, brown, indigenous, poor, Muslim, immigrant, trans women, as we face the true brunt of the cruelty of the unfettered white supremacist agenda. So stand with us. In the name of the triumph and trial that dwell within my Black body, I am ready. Are you? Are you? Let her name be a revolution. But in the name of all the elders and all the ancestors who came before us, we must not give in. We must continue to fight. Don't give in to despair, but organize toward joy. We are all we got, but we are all we need. Thank you.
Yes, we are all we've got, but we are all we need. Please welcome next Ana Martinez from CASA.
Good evening. My name is Ana Martinez, lead organizer for CASA in Action, the largest immigrant rights organization in the Mid-Atlantic region and a member for Center for Popular Democracy in Action. Tonight we're here to honor Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who has left us a legacy that we must protect. When I first heard the news, I felt a sense of fear for our future, while at the same time empowered by how one woman could have such a big impact in all of our lives. She didn't fight for gender equality because it was easy. She did it because it was the right thing to do, and she continued until her last day. RBG is a reminder that even though we have a hard time ahead, we should remain strong, organized, and work as a collective to make sure we protect the rights of everyone. Not only is Ginsburg important when it comes to women's rights, she played an important role standing with immigrants, including the recent Supreme Court regarding DACA and the census. When President Trump first announced the cancellation of DACA, I was near so many different young people that were shedding tears because of the fear for their future. Immigrants continue to stand strong during these difficult times, and she will be missed for all she has done for us. As we approach for the election, I ask everyone to go out and vote as if your life depends on it, because it does. Today we grieve, and tomorrow we're gonna fight. Para Ruth Bader Ginsburg, gracias por haber dedicado tu vida para mejorar las vidas de nosotras y darnos el ejemplo de cómo ser una mujer poderosa. Usted nos mostró el camino y nosotras seguiremos sus pasos en la lucha para defender los derechos de todos. Muchas gracias.
Please welcome the Senator from Massachusetts, Elizabeth Warren!
Tonight to mourn Ruth Bader Ginsburg. She was an icon, she was a trailblazer, she was a role model, she was a friend. We are here tonight to grieve, but not to despair. There is too much at stake going forward. Roe versus Wade, the Dreamers, health care for millions of Americans, the right to join a union, racial justice, economic equality, the right to vote. Our very democracy is on the line. 4 years ago, Mitch McConnell told us that there would be no vote in the United States Senate on a Supreme Court nominee because our president had only 1 year in office. And every Republican stood with him in the United States Senate. Today, Mitch McConnell and his henchmen believe that they can ram through a Supreme Court justice only 45 days from the election. Mitch McConnell believes that this fight is over. What Mitch McConnell does not understand is this fight has just begun. Yes. Ruth Ginsburg was an icon. She was a trailblazer. But you know what I love best about Ruthie? She was a fighter. Ruth fought for the right of every woman in this country to make her own decisions about her body. And she never gave up on that fight. Tonight is not the moment to cheer, but tonight is the moment to say from the heart, with conviction, to ourselves and anyone who's listening, when it comes to the fight to protect a woman's right to choose, I will fight. Say it deep and from your heart. I will fight. One more. I will fight. And one more. I will fight. And when it comes to fighting for the right of workers to come together, to bargain collectively, to make their voices heard in the workplace, Ruth Bader Ginsburg fought. Say it from your heart in her memory. I will fight. Once more. I will fight. And one more time.